Good morning and welcome to the Daily No Nonsense Crypto Minutes. Today we're going to talk about Masari.io, a website that looks to position themselves as the Bloomberg of the crypto space. I mean, they have a lot of great information, tools, and resources. Highly recommend adding your email address to their email list. They send out daily information. They even have a paid service, which I highly recommend, where they give out just detailed backend information that you're not just going to get anywhere. I've seen some of these reports that they put together. They're very thorough, in-depth, and they definitely give you an edge as far as investing and trading in the crypto space. I mean, they have all different types of stuff you could chart, Bitcoin on-chain data. So you can kind of see here where you had the most on-chain data for Bitcoin in the 2017. That's when the price kind of topped out. You can see here hashing rate is increasing, on-chain data is increasing, but it's nowhere near where it was at in 2017, even though the price is up. So it can give you an indicator that there still could be potential upside for the price, for the crypto price. I mean, they have announcements that they chart on a particular cryptocurrency. I mean, they have screeners where you can, if you just want to look at DeFi assets. Then other organizations actually have their screeners on here. If you want to invest in what the Coinbase Ventures group is invested in, you can do that there. Polychain Capital, what do they invest in? You can invest in what they're. I mean, Binance Labs. You can invest. You can just duplicate some of these other organizations what they're doing, and just play that particular strategy if you wanted to. I mean, there's so many different things you could do with this website. I mean, one of the other things that put Masari on the radar was they started putting out real volume and crypto. There's a lot of wash trading, there's fake volume, so on and so forth. So you see all these real volumes, then versus what's the actual volume. I mean, it could be totally different. So when you look at you actually can sort stuff by volume. You can see like real volume, Tether has the highest volume, Bitcoin, BNB, so on and so forth. But that doesn't always necessarily mean that the crypto is looked at in the highest price point, just because of the volume that they could be reporting. I mean, I know in previous times you had coins like BCH, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin SV. They were in the top 10, even though their volumes were nowhere near as much as some of the coins in the top 10. But if you look at other places, for those like other sites, maybe like a Coin Market Cap or so on and so forth, and you looked at the volume on those sites, it would be way higher than what actually they were Masari was showing for real volume. And so that's just kind of one of the different tools you can use. I said they got all types of screeners. You want to see what's going on with stable coins. You want to see what's the best, what staking coins are paying out the most money right now. I mean, all these type of different resources are available to you. They even have their news feed where they have just different articles. Some of the, like I said, you have to be a paid member for some of the stuff, but other stuff is just free information that you can go on and take a look at. I mean, you can look at stuff. What's the top performing for the last 7 days? What's performed best in 2020. The large cap ROI for 2020. You kind of see where, if you would invested in different coins, which one you would have had the best return for your investment. And as we look at here, it looks like BNB is the winner as far as the large caps. I mean, it's a lot of just information and tools and resources that you can take advantage of with this particular site. So I mean, it's just a good resource to have. Yield Farmers Portfolio. I mean, it's just a lot of stuff. So I just wanted to share this with you guys if it wasn't on your radar. Once again, it's just a great tool to use. I mean, I didn't even really get into. I want to go a little more in depth down and think about you could, whether you want to find out more about a particular coin, the history of it, the metrics of the coin, the supply, the distribution, how many coins are in existence, how they were distributed, what was the price when it went to sale for when it first came on the market. I mean, all these different information sources are available to you on this particular site. So I definitely highly recommend you guys add this to your repertoire. If you want to see like social media activity, what's going on in social media activity, just as far as like Reddit subscribers, it's always a good a good metric of what's going on in the community. I mean, crypto can be, is a lot of times is driven by the community development going on in the community popularity. And we already seen what's going on with what happened or still continues to happen with Doge, just because of the community and the things around the organization, also the developers, and I think they also have trying to see, they have developer activity screener, so you can kind of see, you know, what's the most active chain over the last 90 days. It's not active, but what developers are the most active. I mean, like I said, there's just tons of information on the site. That's why they are trying to position themselves as the Bloomberg, and I recommend email address, you know, sharing it with them, or participating in their paid program. I think it's definitely worth the resources and the information. And once again, everything is just about having an edge, and also managing risk. Well, if you have more information, that you can make better decisions off to manage your risk and also to give you an edge. I mean, this is why this is such a great tool. So that's all we got for today's minutes. Questions, anything you want us to go over, info@thecryptocraft.com. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Have a great day.